Can you move it a little further so she has to crawl a little further? Move it way over here by me. Move it like right here. Perfect. Okay, sweets, come get it. Okay, Kellen, can you put it on the ground so she crawls to it? Come here, sweets. Kellen?
Kellen!
Okay, let's see your stuff. Let's see it. Come on. Good job. Oh. And into the mouth. Can you do it? Oh, now you're cheating. Can you get back up? Go get it. Oh, sidetracked. Come say sorry. Give her a hug and a kiss.
Where's Zoe?
Say sorry.
Where's Zoe?
Her always on her head, on her cheeks.
She's gone.
Give her a kiss on her cheek.
This one?
Yep, that one.
I got
No,
her.
say sorry.
Right.
Now, are you going to push her anymore?
No.
Okay, thank you, bud. We're trying to teach her to crawl.
Kellen, buddy, do you want to eat some macaroni and cheese with hot dogs?
No, I want you to.
Got it. Riley. Can you go get it? Go get that car. You can do it. You gotta stay down on your knees. Can you get it? Can you get it? Hi. Riley. Riley. Look what's over here. Okay. Can you get that? Look. You see your puppy? Hi, puppy. Dakota, watch out, bud. Can you come get your puppy? Come get the puppy. Riley. You're doing a good job. Keep going.